So today we're going to be going back to look at multiplication with 3-digit and 2-digit numbers. Now this is a review. This is something we've done since the fall. We've worked on it a lot, but I just want to review it because multiplication is so big to everything you guys are going to be doing, especially as you get to middle school and high school. So you really need to have these steps down really well. Okay, so pretty basic. We'll start here with this one, 476 times 23. So we start with our ones place. Take 6 times 3, which is 18. Put down my 8, carry my 1. I'm still working with my ones place. Do not go to this 2 until you've taken 3 times every number up here, the 476. So next I'm going to take 3 times my tens place. So 3 times 7 is 21. One more is 22. Put down the 2. Carry the 2. Now I'm going to take 3 times my hundreds place. So 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 more is 14. Okay. I am done with that 3. So if I want to, I can just cross it out so that I know I'm done with it. I'm not going to use it again. But remember, since I'm done with my ones place and I'm going to start multiplying with my tens place, I have to go ahead and put a 0 here in my ones place so that my first answer starts in the tens since I'm multiplying with my tens place now. Okay? So make sure you got that 0 there. Okay, so now remember we go back and we do ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 times 6 is 12. Put down the 2. Carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14 and one more is 15. Carry my 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus one more is 9. Okay, and then I add. Make sure you're not multiplying, but adding here. So 10,948. Okay, I'm going to do the exact same thing with 591 times 47. So I start with my ones place. I'm going to take times 1, times tens, times hundreds. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Make sure you carry that 6. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 6 more is 41. Okay, I am done. I want to cross out these numbers up here I carried so I don't actually accidentally use them again. Okay, I'm done with the ones place. So if I want to cross it out, I can. I'm done with the ones place. I have to put a 0 in the ones place. Since I'm multiplying times my 10 now, I want my first answer to start in the tens place. So, but again, ones, tens, hundreds. So 4 times my ones. 4 times 1 is 4. Now I'll do my tens. 4 times 9, 36, carrying my 3. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 more is 23. And so you're going to find a lot of 7s here in this answer. My answer will be 27,777. Now, if you're working this on lined paper and the problem that you seem to have is that you don't have everything lined up straight up and down. Okay, remember the trick we talked about at school. If you turn your paper sideways so that your lines are going, if I can get my cap off my marker, so the lines are going sideways, so you have your paper, or so your lines are going up and down, so you have your paper sideways like this. If this was your piece of paper and you turned it sideways, I can always take my paper like this and turn it and then use the lines to help me keep everything straight. Okay, so if I had this problem right here, I would do one number between each of the lines, okay? And then that way, it would help me keep everything lined up. So that when I went through and added everything, they're all in one row, and then that keeps everything separated into columns. So if your problem where you're making mistakes is that you're not lining up your numbers and they're going all over the place, remember that trick of turning your lined paper sideways and using the columns to help you keep everything lined up. Hope you guys have had a great week. I am missing you guys more and more with every single day. You guys have no clue how much I miss you. So hopefully all this passes over. I can't wait till we come back to school in the fall, and you guys had better stop by and visit me, because otherwise I'm gonna come track you down in the middle school hallways. Okay, because I miss you guys so much. So have a great weekend. Bye.